Look at this perfectly symmetrical diagram on the screen. In theory, a textbook head and shoulders pattern looks exactly like this. But when you apply it to live financial markets, you get this, a jagged, real-world chart full of noise. If you sit on the sidelines waiting for a flawless, picture-perfect setup, you will miss out on the vast majority of high-quality trading opportunities. Here is the blueprint for trading these messy formations. We are going to cover a step-by-step master strategy that gives you two specific tools. First, real-world pattern recognition, and second, multi-time frame execution. Professional traders do not run from market imperfection. They use strict rules to extract actionable data from it. This chart shows a daily time frame, with price action moving generally upward. Trading any chart pattern here in total isolation is a high-risk approach that often leads to false signals. Your setup must always begin by establishing a baseline on a higher time frame.
To find that baseline, you look to the left side of this daily chart. You are searching for a major historical reversal point, a distinct peak where price previously pushed up and then reversed hard downward. Once you identify that peak, you draw a strict horizontal resistance zone across it. Your only job at this stage is to wait. You watch the current price action climb upward until it physically touches this newly established resistance line. Establishing this higher time frame anchor provides vital context for your trade. A pattern that forms without this structural foundation is just random market noise. When price finally hits that key resistance line, a crucial shift happens. Buyers begin to lose momentum, starting the reversal process. This highlight shows our first structural point. The left shoulder forms directly off your resistance line as buyers initially stall. Buyers attempt another push. They break briefly above the resistance line to form the head, but fail to hold the ground and fall right back down. Then we get the right shoulder. Notice how it does not neatly match the height of the left shoulder. In live markets, it is almost always asymmetrical. Next, you connect the two low points between the shoulders to create the neckline. In real scenarios, this line is frequently slanted, not flat. Aesthetic perfection is irrelevant here. The pattern is valid for one specific reason. The price failed to make a higher high and instead made a lower high. Embracing this messy anatomy lets you capitalize on exact momentum shifts. Amateurs remain paralyzed on the sidelines, waiting for a textbook illusion that never arrives. Now we select a trigger to enter the trade. The first method is the pullback trigger. Here you wait for the price to break forcefully down through the slanted neckline. You do not enter on the break. You wait for the price to retrace upward and test the broken neckline. This proves the old support floor has flipped to a new resistance ceiling. The second entry method is more advanced, the aggressive right shoulder trigger. You map a horizontal plane directly from the high of the left shoulder. When price approaches this plane on the right, you watch for a candlestick with a long upper wick, strictly rejecting that exact ceiling. Possessing multiple, well-defined trigger options gives you the tactical flexibility to adapt to live market behavior instead of trying to force a rigid single-entry mindset on the chart. Taking either of those triggers blindly on a high time frame introduces unnecessary risk. We need to confirm the entry through multi-time frame confluence. This split screen shows the process. On the left, you isolate your chosen trigger zone, like the right shoulder, on your daily chart. Then you zoom into a lower time frame, like the 4-hour chart on the right, to look inside the price action of that specific box. Inside that lower time frame, you are looking for a secondary micro-reversal pattern. In this example, a clear double top forms exactly at the ceiling of our higher time frame resistance. The breakdown of this micro pattern provides your ultimate exact entry signal. Layering these timeframes eliminates emotional guesswork. It transforms a macro theory into a precise entry that aligns with the broader market direction. Here is your complete professional framework. Step 1. Find the macro key level. Step 2. Map the real messy anatomy. Step 3. Select your trigger. Step 4. Confirm the entry using a lower time frame. These mechanics represent a basic shift in momentum. Because of that, the framework applies identically across stocks, forex, or crypto. Tell us in the comments below which chart pattern you struggle with the most, and make sure to grab the 100-page master guide linked in the description for a complete breakdown of every pattern variation. Mastering this top-down framework allows you to confidently navigate through the market noise and trade based purely on structural evidence.